How to turn off notification silenced on iPhone. First of all, go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. The Control Center provides quick access to frequently used settings and apps. You'll see a group of icons over here. From here, tap on the focus button as shown. As you can see, the sleep mode is currently turned on. The sleep focus helps users improve sleep hygiene by filtering notifications and calls and simplifying the lock screen during scheduled bedtimes. It reduces distractions to create a more consistent and healthy sleep routine, and can be customized to allow important contacts or apps to bypass the focus mode. Tap on the sleep button again to turn it off. You have now successfully turned off sleep mode on your phone. Following these steps, you can easily turn off notifications silenced on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.